The Philippine Navy (PN) plans to acquire at least 8 used Beechcraft TC-12B Huron light twin-engine aircraft, which it intends to convert into Maritime Patrol Aircraft (MPA), with an estimated cost of around $59.9 million to cover for all expenses related to the project. In its latest publication, the Philippine Navy's Naval Air Wing (NAW) mentioned that the service received an offer from the Joint U.S. Military Assistance Group JUSMAG, Philippines to transfer 13 units of the Beechcraft TC-12B Huron under the U.S. Excess Defense Article (EDA) and U.S. Foreign Military Financing (FMF) programs. These aircraft were previously used by the U.S. Navy for multi-engine training program. The Philippine Navy has made its intention to acquire at least 8 units, with approval from the Philippine Navy's Leadership and Capability Cluster Board. A joint inspection of the 13 offered aircraft was scheduled to be conducted by either late September or early October 2020. The Philippine Navy has expressed its desire to have a number of small maritime patrol aircraft in its fleet. Currently it has 4 Beechcraft C-90 King Air and at least 4 Britain normal BN-2 Islander light twin-engine aircraft used for maritime surveillance and utility work, although none are equipped with the latest surveillance subsystems. Meanwhile, the Philippine Air Force is still pursuing the acquisition of 2 new long-range maritime patrol aircraft, and is in discussions with the U.S. government for the transfer of at least 2 surplus Lockheed P-3C Orion maritime patrol aircraft.